So this competition is great because it kind of gives you an insight to every single piece of the industry. So you go from metal finishing, plastic repair, setup measure, framework, into estimating, parts ID, you do it all.
Surprisingly, one of the stations I did good on, I feel like, was the plastic repair. I've been struggling with that for the past little bit of time, but today I feel like I did really, really good with it. For me, it's important to do this competition because I feel like it can help figure out what else I need to work on, and then I can improve to help me with my job currently.
It's made me a lot more prepared to go out into the shop, and I think that's something that is just about invaluable.
You get to show your skills to a lot of people that are in this industry, potential employers, people get to see your work, you get to showcase what you got. That's why, obviously when you come to this competition, you got to bring your A game.
I was an Ames graduate. It's great to be back here teaching. It's great to be back teaching something that I have a passion for. Seeing these students and seeing what they do and go through the competition, getting a job.
Last year I got first at state, so I got to go to nationals, and it was really fun. I started late in this program, so it's been taking me a little bit longer, but I'm so glad I decided to do it.
Some of these trade school kids feel like they're second-class citizens, and that's not the case. These guys are artists in their craft. Not everybody can do this job. They work hard, but they'll get paid well, and it's a skill set that's needed. It's a skill set that's going to be around for a long time.
I am a 5'3" female who has completed her degree. I have a job in the industry, and I work on semis. So if I can do it and climb the side of a semi to paint, then I don't see why anybody else should doubt themselves.